Hello, today I'm going to show you a few orchids that I have. So to begin, I got some new Phalaenopsis type, and this is one of them. And when this came, and the spike, it was not fully open when it came. Now it's fully open. Um, this is another new Phalaenopsis type, and it's opening its last flower right now. This is another one of the new ones. This one, the last bud blasted, but this bud is all right. And this one, this opened this bud not too long ago, and it may also be starting a branch. Apart from that, this phalaenopsis has opened the first few flowers. In fact, most of the flowers on the original spike are open. It's also developing a secondary branch here. This is the phalaenopsis which is perhaps my oldest. This was, I think, the second orchid I ever got, so it's pretty old. I think it'll be 6 years this June, so yeah, it's pretty old. And this is the first time it's blooming properly since, I think, 2022 or 23, not sure. The spikes on the other falls have grown a bit. This spike has grown some bit. This one I think will start producing buds soon. Then that spike, it's growing slowly, but it's growing. This spike is growing, not too fast, not too slow, but still growing. This one, the almost all the blooms on this oncidium type have opened. This time the spike was good, better than last time. Last time it had 21 blooms. This time it has 33 blooms. One of the problems with this oncidium type is that this it doesn't hold the spikes up, if you see what I mean. Like, the spikes, if they were a little bit above the foliage, then we could see the flowers a little more, because right now the flowers look kind of shy, hidden among the foliage, like here. But all in all, it's a nice show, and the flowers are nice. My Tolumnia has got a spike. This is from the new growth, which was the which was a little more advanced, the one which started earlier. This new growth, I think, is still growing. Maybe it has finished growing, I don't know. But it may this one also may bloom, so perhaps another spike. The bamboo orchid is, as usual, still in bloom, and is likely to remain so for quite some time, though this spike, I think, is almost done. There's only this bud and then one more. Doesn't look like one more. This spike, not sure. It has got four more buds to go at least. This spike also the same, four more. This spike may be done, may not be done, not sure. This is Dendrobium banana sunshine peony, and it has opened. This is, I think has some genetic mutation. Well, as you can clearly see, it is an orchid. I mean, the spike comes from an orchid, but it looks nothing like an orchid, as you can see. But you can see it, but you can see it has roughly the shape of an orchid, like two petals, three sepals, and then this lip. It's just this part which looks unorchidy, if you ask me. This is the Dendrobium phalaenopsis type that started it all. Is one of the oldest orchids. After perhaps, I think, the oldest after this one, the white one, which you'll see in a minute. This one is now. This one is opening the blooms on its spike, and it's a really basic Dendrobium phalaenopsis type. This is Dendrobium coconut dream. I think this takes the place for the oldest orchid. It's been around for a long time. I can't remember when it was bought. And it has two spikes, one of which is almost fully open. Two more, the one bud opening, two more to go. The other one, the first bud, the other one is just opening. The first bud opened yesterday, I think. The mokkara flowers are still there. This is the best spike I've had from the mokkara yet. It's got 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9 10 flowers. These dendrobium phalaenopsis type flowers are still there, and they're still looking good. Most of the buds on the dendrobium aphyllum have opened, and the flowers are really nice, and they smell really good too. And the lip has this kind of hairy thing, if you see what I mean. And the color is not what the camera is capturing. The lip is a little more greenish, in greenish yellow kind of, you know whitish yellowish, and it's almost see through. I'm not sure the camera captures, but it's almost see through. There is a slight veining on the front, followed by a little more deeper, and as you go inside, you can see there's more veining. This is almost all the buds are open now. The last bud is opening here, and those two are the last two buds to open. This one was the first bud. The flowers on this one don't last long. Such a shame. They're really good flowers, and they appear only once a year. That's another problem. Actually when it's this hot, it's I'm actually lucky to get some. And then there is this spike with one bud, not sure you can see, that is following on this cane. This is dendrobium rainbow dance, and all the five blooms have opened, which looks nice. And I like the lip, especially the veining on the lip. In and The flowers are scented. I like this scent. I like this scent a lot. And it has something growing there. Not sure what that is. Maybe flower spike. Maybe a flower spike. Maybe a kiki. Not sure. But then this does have a little habit of producing kikis. Like you can see right now, it has got 1 2 3 kikis. But again, another contributing factor could be the fact that downstairs it was attacked by slugs on a regular basis, so maybe that's why it produced so many kikis. Thank you.